Here's a unique one, just in 2016 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter with 19,000 original miles. This van has 2 transfer seats, passenger side and driver's side. Has a Braunability power fold-out side entry wheelchair lift. The wheelchair lift is from 2021. This vehicle has a power side door, so it's fully automatic to get in and out. You can operate the lift and all the equipment from the remote control, or there's several other points you could use. This van's set up for 2 wheelchairs. Got tie down points in the floor. 19,000 original miles, no rust. Brand new tires. Excellent condition. Everything was just fully serviced. Power door, wheelchair lift. There's a nice gray style wood flooring system. Got your tie downs here. You got 2 6-way transfer seats. So 1 passenger and driver. 19,336 miles. Does have a power side door. So the power door, the sliding door is power. Everything works off of the handheld remote. Got the 6-way seats here. Even with the 2-post lift, you can do both transfer seats. Awesome setup. 19,000 miles. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. If you have any questions or concerns, we're happy to help. Supreme Motors, Boca Raton, Florida. SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net. This is a clean Carfax, no rust. Really nice van. Everything is working. Everything has been serviced. Again, the lift is from 2021. Got 2 transfer seats, which is an unbelievable find in a full-size van. We can add any adaptive controls if you need hand controls, any tie-down systems, seating options. You just let us know. We can help with any of your needs whatsoever. You just let us know how we can help, and we'll be glad to help. You can see the van is in excellent shape, 19,000 miles. Show you how all the equipment works. It's fully loaded, backup camera. There's that, brand new tires. Handheld. All from the handheld remote. Awesome setup. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. As you see, the van is beautiful. There's no cosmetic flaws to really point out. It's been gone over thoroughly. Everything is good to go on this van. Feel free to give us a call at 954-561-2499. We are a Braunability authorized service center and dealer. This is a 2016 Mercedes Sprinter with 19,000 miles. Handicap wheelchair conversion with power automatic side door. Fully loaded, ready to go. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. Visit us at SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net. Boca Raton, Florida. Been in business 49 years. We accept trade-ins and we have worldwide shipping. If you have any questions, just let us know. We have financing available. We'll take anything in trade. Just let us know how we can help. It's a very unique setup with 2 transfer seats. So feel free to reach out to us. 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken.